Hello guys, so today we are here to solve our daily lead code challenge uncommon words from two sentences. This is an easy problem, but it's an interesting problem, and it can be used as a basis in several other problems. So let's concentrate on what this problem is saying, and then we will look into how to solve this problem. So first, as a first step, we'll always start with the problem constraints. So to see, you know, it is always good to understand what is this problem is telling. So if you see, this problem has given a function. It's the function name is uncommon from sentences, and then two string are passed as a parameter to the function. Okay, and we have to return a string array. Okay, so this is the first thing, and now let's go to the problem statement itself. So the problem statement is a sentence is a string of single space separated words. A sentence is a string of single space separated words where each word consists only of lowercase letters. A word is uncommon if it appears exactly once in one of the sentences and does not appear in the other sentence. Okay, given two sentences S1 and S2, return a list of all the uncommon words. Okay, you may return the answer in any order. Okay, so this freedom is there with us. So first of all, what it is telling, that a sentence is a string of single space separated words where each word consists of you know uh, only of lowercase letters. Okay, and it is also telling that what qualifies a word as uncommon. So if it appears exactly once in one of the sentences and does not appear in the other sentence. So if it does not appear in the other sentence, okay, so the thing is that it occurs only once. Okay, in the context of the two sentences, it occurs only once. Now if we try to solve this problem, then first of all, what do we need to do? So first of all, we need to declare one string array. Okay, string array s1 arr is equal to s1 dot split. Okay, like this, we'll split this, and then we'll declare one map of a string integer. Map is equal to new hash map. Okay, and then what we will do, that we will go through this string s1 arr. So we are going through over each of the strings. So this is a for each loop, and this loop enables us to go through each of the strings in the s1 array. And what we will do, that we will do map dot put, and we'll put this map word inside the map, and then as a value, what we'll do, that we'll do map get a default. So what we will do, that we will get this string, otherwise the default value will be 0. If it is not there, then we will return 0. And what we will do, if it is 0, then we will increment it by 1. So if it is 0, we will put 1. If some other value is there, then that value will be incremented by 1. Okay, so this is what this is doing. And then same thing for this as well, the other string. So what we will do, that string array s2 arr is equal to s2 dot split, and once we are splitting it, we'll do s plus. Okay, and same exact thing with this as well. String s of the s2 arr. So you see, we are repeating this loop two times. Okay, So can we do something about it? We'll think about it, okay? But right now we'll first try to solve this problem. Okay, so now we have done this, and then we have to return a string array. So map.entry_set is going to give us all the entries in this map, and then what we are doing, we are calling a stream on this set, and after this what we are doing, that we are calling a filter will, you know, take the entry, and what we'll do, e.get value is equal to 1, and after getting this value is equal to 1, what we will do, that we will call this map method. Okay, map. So this map is going to transform the given map. I mean to say, this map is one of the stream API functions. Okay, so this is not the map that we are playing with. Okay, so this is a map function, and in this map function what we will do, we will pass a method reference, and this method reference, map.entry get key. Okay, and then what we will do, that we will pass this to array, and in this what we will do, string array : new, like this, and this will return us the string array. So let's run this and see whether this is working fine or not. Perfect, so this is getting accepted. Now let's submit this. Perfect, so this is also running fine, but as we can see that this is little, not very fast solution. What can we do to make this faster? Can we remove this and also it will work? Because there is only single space character, not perfect. Not much of a difference. Okay. So this is, we are running this loop 2 times. Can we, do something like, s1 plus s2 like this, and then if we run this, also it's working. This is even slower because we are taking this. Okay, if you don't use this stream, then what will happen? So we'll have to create a list of string, and then we'll use this as a result, and then call it as new array list, and then we'll use this for of map entry of string integer e map.entry set. So on this it will traverse, and the check will be if e.get value is equal to 1, then what we will do, we will we can just, in the result list, we can just add of e.get key, like this we can do. Okay, and once we have done this, we can return result dot array, and then this will pass this new string array like this. So will this also work? Let's check. Perfect, this is also getting accepted. So not much of a difference. What else can we do to make this go faster? It's not very fast. Anyway, but this is one of the easiest solution to work with. Okay, let's see how the others. Yeah, same approach. In fact, ours is better than them. Only difference which I see here is that they are splitting not on regex but on simple like this. So this is little faster. If we don't do this, okay, if we just leave this s1 dot split, and here if we do a string array s2 arr is equal to s2 dot split, and then run this for a string s of s2 arr, then in that case map dot put of s map dot get or default, either you get the value for s or return 0. 0 is the default value, and whatever is returned you add 1 on that. And at the end we are doing what we were doing earlier also. So let's see how this is comparing in runtime. So this concatenation thing was not very optimal. Okay, this optimal solution is this only. Okay, so with this we are able to solve this problem, which is beating the 100% of all other efficiencies. So this is the most efficient solution for this problem. So let's again go through this problem and what are we doing in this problem. In this problem we have taken the string and split it up on the single white space, and we are not using the regex. If we are using the regex in place of this, like this, okay, and then this, then let's see, also it's working. So this regex is slowing the things down. Okay, so instead of regex, it's better if we use this without the regex. Perfect. So without the regex is always more efficient, because regex computation is it takes its own sweet time. So we should if it is a simple thing, then we can go without the regex, the splitting thing. We can do it without the regex, and then other than that, what we have done is pretty much simple, straightforward thing only. And I hope it's clear. If there is any doubt, please push it in the comments, and definitely I would answer those doubts. Till then, happy coding, best wishes, enjoy your life.